Hi everybody, it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video and deciding to join me today. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And I appreciate all the support and love that you give to my channel. It is truly amazing. So today I just have a small video. This is going to be a flip through of the new recipe organizer that I showed in my haul the other day, and this modern farmhouse value pack sticker book. So let's start with the recipe planner and get right into this. So this recipe planner has this bowl of cherries and this rose gold. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Let me take these off. And this is the back of this planner. So beautiful, just so beautiful. And it has these rose gold discs as well to make this rose gold just pop on the cover. And it is gorgeous in person, absolutely gorgeous. So this is not going to have to be a very intense flip through, because most of the pages in here are the same, so there's not a lot to go through. It has this really pretty fruits and vegetables around the outside of the page, and it's got let's eat, and this is called the favorite recipe collection, belongs to, and I love this, plan a happy life. So very nice, and I love the compact size of this. I think I mentioned in my haul that I just love the smaller pages like this. So black and white stripes on the inside. And then on this page, you've got kitchen conversions. So liquids, your ounces, your pints, your quarts, your cups. And then we have your teaspoons, tablespoons, and cups here. So, and a spot for notes. And then the first divider says favorites on the tab. So I think in this section, this would be a great place. Like for me, I would love to put like my mom's recipes in the favorites section. I have a few that have been carried down with me, and it would be so cool to put recipes from other people, recipes that I've been given or that I've asked other people for over the years. I think this would be a really nice place to do that. And this has the strawberries. It said food is love. And then it has this rose gold with this floral mixed in with the fruit, and it's so stinking pretty, just so pretty. And the recipe pages themselves, this first section has this peach colored sidebar here. So yeah, and loving that. And they're all the same. Each side is a recipe and the pages are the same. So on this one, and the recipes go right to here, so there's no like notes page opposite the divider in these. So this one is main dishes, and it just has these little words on here. It says let's see, it says, let's gather, enjoy the little things, happiness. The secret ingredient is always love. Yeah, things like celebrate life and things like that are written on here. The things that you associate with having a meal with family and friends. And the recipe pages in this one have this pretty mint green in here. And then the next one is small dishes. There is never enough time. Love this. And then these green stripes here. But the recipe pages are this pretty, almost baby blue sidebar. And there's quite a few. So Soups and salads. It says happiness is homemade. And then there's this light gray and white striping on both sides. And this is that peach. And then this one says, isn't this a pretty picture? I love that they've taken the picture. It's like a photograph and it's like a photograph still life, and then they've taken white and outlined parts of it. I think that is it makes the picture look very artistic. So the secret ingredient is always love, with red polka dots on the inside. And then this one is breakfast. It's just got this, and once again, I'm just looking at this. It's got the white outlines, which kind of make it look like it's not a photograph, like it's artsy. Artsy is the word. Yeah, and then this has got stripes and polka dots on the inside. And then desserts. A party without cake is just a meeting. Yes, that's true. And this pretty blue. And then there's a miscellaneous tab as well. And it says, where there is a whisk, there is a way. And it's this gorgeous light blue with this rose gold on it. And that is so pretty. And then just a little bit of a repeat of the background color there, but without the rose gold. And it goes straight recipes all the way to the very back, and then just the black and white stripe. Love this. Love this. I think I've finally found planner piece in a recipe book. Let's hope this one works. Okay, and then I got the new Farmhouse sticker book. So yeah, 475 pieces. It's called Modern Farmhouse. It has these peaches with these muted darker greens. Absolutely gorgeous. And I haven't looked all through this. I did one of these and I can't wait to get in here. So let's look. So, be honest and kind. Live more, worry less. Let's get this up here. Dream big. There is no limit to how radiant you can be. Gorgeous coloring. And then hearts and stars down the side in these muted pinks and greens again. So if you've been a viewer on my channel for a while, you probably know that pink and mint green, so pink and green, are probably one of my most favorite color combinations. So I have done countless monthly and weekly spreads in those color combinations. And then to get this muted, like peachy pinks and these muted darker greens together, yeah, this blows the mint pink and the green, mint pink and mint green right out of the water. So these, I love these. I love that you have these little decorative pieces, but then you have these wreaths that you can write fully in the inside of the circle. That's just Beth. She's sitting here in the room beside me. So happy in a million little ways. Amazing things happen when you're kind. Balance power with grace. Do all things with love, and attitude is everything. So this is a little different. These are headers that have words on them that I haven't seen previously. So we've got important, and it also has upcoming, doodles, my mantra, important, doodles, upcoming, my mantra. So in all the different colors. So that is really cool. So upcoming, doodles, and my mantra. I haven't seen those in any of the other sticker books. And then the boxes, the amazing boxes. They're so handy. Silver. Nice. Now my regular planner has black discs on it, like my yearly planner that goes from January to December. I love black discs. So, and I love golds and rose golds, but whenever I can get a silver foil, that goes so nicely with the black discs. Yes, it just puts your spread right over the top. Nice big clear stickers. Here's that one that's on the front. Home is with you. That's really cool. No better time than now. Believe in yourself. Collect beautiful moments. Life isn't perfect, but it has perfect moments. Loving the gold and the black combination on a clear sticker. So you can put that in almost any spread, and it just makes your spread pop a little bit more. And the foil florals, the sketched style florals that kind of look like they're hand drawn, but they're gold metallic. So, and this is the same, I think. So yeah, so if this is a little bit hard to see, is gold foil in this exact print. Awesome, absolutely awesome. And then there's a few of these stickers that I think look familiar from the original Farmhouse sticker book. This one looks a little bit familiar, but most of them I think are original to this book. I think the other one may have had this in there. I like this one. Stay humble, work hard, be kind. All the hearts. Create what you love. Feel the sunshine. Let's stay home. Start something wonderful. You are enough. You are golden. When in doubt, add flowers and shine like the stars. So 8 hearts, 8 different sayings. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. You were made to do hard things, so just believe in yourself. I'm not going to read every one to you, just the ones I think that you can't see. This actually says, when in doubt, add flowers. Yeah, that's good advice. And then these color, whoop. Wow, that was a big truck. The road in front of us is a slight incline, and that was a big truck going up the road, so very loud. And it's hot in here, so all the windows are open today. Love these boxes. Love these little square boxes. Nice. Absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, and some more of them. That's cool that you get 2 pages of those. These are different. So this is something new, I think, in the Farmhouse, is just like this splash of color and then this floral behind it. So it almost looks like a layered sticker. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. She had her own dreams and she made them happen. She's a dreamer, a doer, a thinker. She sees possibilities everywhere. This was on the front of my planner last year, I think, that one. And here are some more of those. Now, later, errands. Wow, some more of these hearts. I think these heart pages are my favorites. So this one, the writing on these is in foil, and then it's got gold foil florals around the hearts. Full of gratitude, make way for today. This happy life, choose joy every day. Take time to relax. Don't stop dreaming. Celebrate today and enjoy the now. any of these would be great for anniversaries, for making a note beside an anniversary, a wedding that you have to go to, Valentine's Day. These hearts are beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. And then there's just these little, they look like seals. Today was amazing, special day, busy day. And then that repeats, and they just have these little gold florals inside. Some blank circles with some florals on. I'm loving these hand-drawn look florals in this. Happy in a million little ways. This says, you were made to do hard things, so just believe in yourself. And I can't say enough how much I appreciate when they put these blank ones in here so that you can fill them in yourself. Sometimes the saying, when they put the sayings on them, I tend to use those up first, and then I can't find the saying that I want. So, and some more of these little wreaths. These ones have lines in the center. Great for putting a little appointment in. Do everything with so much love in your heart that you would never want to do it any other way. That is beautiful. And if you want to be happy, be. Leo Tolstoy. Oh, yes. These are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And they've made these big ones so that you can put them down the side of a page. Fabulous, just fabulous. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Be present in the moment, and hello today. And this is just a bunch of sayings on these little banners. Life happens, coffee helps. Yeah. So that's it. One more page, appointment stickers, and some blank boxes. Oh, one more. And these really cool sayings. So coffee first, get it done, let's stay home and love today. And they repeat, and then these ones say so busy, and that's it. So that's it. So that is the Modern Farmhouse. So if you're on the lookout for that and you were wondering whether you were going to pick it up or not, that's what it looks like. I almost wish I had have bought 2 of them. It's that pretty. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed these little flip throughs, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this new Modern Farmhouse sticker book. It's probably the prettiest one I think I've seen from the Happy Planner so far. So yeah, everybody, please be safe out there. This virus is not done yet. I think we're just learning how to live with the new normal. But yeah, everybody, please stay safe and stay healthy. And bye-bye for now. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.